Hi guys, Shelli, Pelly, Parker Confidential. If you saw my video on Wednesday on 7 top dating rules my mom taught me, this is 6 red flags that mean game over in almost any relationship. These 6 rules are from my book called 22 Badass Rules for Women. These are kind of rules that badass women live by, and you can too. I'll put the link down below. It's on Amazon. These are 6 red flags that mean game over in almost any relationship. Come on back, let's start with number 1. If you like videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video in particular, please consider giving it a thumbs up. It helps my video rankings and I would greatly appreciate it. Disrespectful words and treatment. Being called stupid, being called an idiot, fat, making critical comments, not acceptable, never, ever, ever okay in any kind of relationship. If you're just starting to date somebody or you're in a relationship and that's kind of a general theme of the way he speaks to you and treats you, to me, that is a big red flag that means game over. That's not okay and you deserve better. Lying, deceitful, dishonest. So yes, everybody tells a little white lie now and then. We all do. But if as a general rule, you find that you catch him in lies, you find that he is dishonest. I'll give you an example. I had dated somebody, this is a long time ago, before Oliver and I met, and he would lie about the dumbest things ever. Like literally, I would say, are you on your way home? And he'd say, yeah, I'm on my way home right now. Well, he wasn't leaving the gym for another 30 minutes. Or I would say, did you pay the light bill? And he'd say, yeah, I paid it. And he didn't. Like dumb ass stuff like that was just continuous and pervasive throughout the relationship. I learned my lesson there. You don't want to run around for the rest of your life wondering if the person that you're with is being honest and truthful with you. Don't waste your energy. Lying, deceit, dishonesty, game over, cut bait. Number 3, and this one is kind of a big one for me because I can't stand people that can't control their emotions. They're volatile, they're controlling, they're jealous. Something happens and they just flip out. They can't control themselves. That's so exhausting. And if you're in a relationship with somebody that's like that, and then you get out of it and you're with somebody just really calm, cool, collected, even-tempered, you don't realize how much of an energy suck somebody with a volatile temper, very bad jealous streak, very controlling is on you. First of all, nobody needs to control you. You're the boss of you. Secondly, jealousy is not flattering. It's an insecurity within him and it's draining on your relationship. A good relationship has a level of mutual trust. If he says, I've got a business trip, I'm gonna be in Vegas for a couple days, I don't think twice about it, and you shouldn't either. There's that level of trust. And the same in reverse. If you say, I'm going out with my girlfriends, he knows you're going out with your girlfriends. There's that level of trust. So anybody that has a volatile temper, they can't control their reactions, they're jealous or controlling, that to me is a huge red flag. Cheating, yeah, we all get. But a wandering eye, that's annoying. I mean, look, we all are going to look at somebody that's attractive. Like if an attractive guy walks by, you probably take a look. If an attractive woman walks by, I'm sure he notices. But you know when somebody has a complete rubberneck. If he's constantly doing this and it just bugs the crap out of you because it's never ending, look, it has nothing to do with you. It has nothing to do with whether or not you're attractive. Cheating, wandering eye happens to some of the most beautiful women in the world. It has nothing to do with you. It has nothing to do with your value, your attractiveness. It has everything to do with him. Usually men who are constant cheaters, who are constantly looking for what we call the BBD or the bigger, better deal, let somebody else have them. They will never be satisfied because they're constantly on the prowl for something else. Let them go. You deserve somebody that is completely and 100% into you. Verbal abuse and of course physical abuse. Any man who puts his hand on you, game over, hard stop, done. Verbal abuse, same thing. Calling you names, calling you stupid, I don't care what it is, you deserve better than that. That is not okay. Verbal abuse, when you constantly feel bad around him, when you constantly feel hurt by what he's saying, when you constantly just feel down because of the way he treats you, the way he talks to you, that is a clear sign that there's probably verbal abuse, or that it's at the very, very least, it is not a fit for the two of you. you. You deserve to be with somebody who makes you feel good, who appreciates you, or quite frankly, just being on your own for a while. There's nothing wrong with that. And I will tell you, the times that I grew the most were the times when I was just single, by myself, and enjoying my life. So you do you, and insist on being treated and spoken to with respect and admiration. Last one, if you find that he's unreliable, undependable, not a man of his word. We all want to be able to depend on the person that we're with to come through for us when they say they're going to. If he says he's going to do something and you find that he constantly doesn't do it, or he has an excuse, or he doesn't follow through, you guys, that is just exhausting. Think of how calming and strengthening it is to know if he says he's going to be there, he's there. If he says, don't worry about it, I've got it handled, you know he's got it handled. You want somebody who is reliable, that you can depend on, who is a man of his word. There's a lot to be said about how calming, peaceful, and the positivity that contributes to a good, strong, healthy relationship with a good foundation. All right, if I missed anything, feel free to comment below. If you have feedback, questions, as always, just comment below. I always read them, and I always love hearing from you. For all things wellness, beauty, style, fitness, and healthy living, subscribe to my channel. Visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.